Hey everyone! I have been getting quite a few questions about our lovely garden boxes and asking if we built them ourselves, and the answer is yes, we did.
It's super easy, and today I'm going to show you how to build your own 2-foot by 4-foot garden box.
So you want to start with your 8-foot 2x6 piece, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut our 2-foot sections first, and then we're going to be left with our 4-foot section. Boom! One down.
So whether you're making the cuts yourself or if you're having somebody do it for you, this is what you want to end up with. You want 4 1-foot sections of the 4x4 pieces. You want 4 4-foot sections of the 2x6 and 4 2-foot sections of the 2x6.
So now you just kind of want to lay out your frame, and this is a simple 4-post frame. Just make sure the ground is level so you don't get like a wonky, uneven garden box. So now what you want to do is you want to take 2 wood screws in each plank on each side. A little tip to make your lives easier: if you want to pre-bore a hole before you put your wood screws in, it just makes it a whole lot easier, especially if you don't have a lot of push behind. Okay, now that we've pre-bore our holes, now it's time to screw them in. All right, so we're done with the first section, and now just time to repeat. Stack and screw. Done. Now we just flip it over and we're going to put it in place. And voila, you have your garden box. All right, so our garden box is done, and we just do a bottomless one. I'm sure you can do ones with a bottom. There's no need for that for us. So before you fill it with dirt, I recommend some sort of weed barrier. If you have gophers or any sort of pests that come in through the ground, chicken wire is also good to add. And yeah, we're gonna get started and fill it with some dirt. And now we're ready to plant. So I, in this planter box, am going to be planting some, no. These guys are bad. No, sir. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna be planting some fennel because they do really well next to citrus, as well as mustard greens. If you've never had pickled mustard greens, you're missing out. And even if you don't have the room to build or set out your own garden box, grab yourself a little pot, throw in a seed, and watch that little baby grow.